What's the meaning of bulbous? Bulbous. Bulbous.
Bulbous. Bulbous. Bulbous is an adjective that describes something that is spherical or inflated in shape. It can also refer to something that has a bulge or protuberance. For example, a bulbous nose is one that is large and rounded at the tip. The term is often used in botany to describe certain plants that have a bulbous shape, such as the onion. This word is also used in architecture to describe structures that have a rounded, bulb-like shape. Overall, bulbous suggests a shape that is full and rounded, often with a sense of swelling or bloating.